In today's video, which is very different to my usual content, I wanted to share with you how to get the Samsung screenshot button on your home screen, which I think is very convenient when you want to quickly screenshot something. So the first thing you want to do is go to the Good Lock app. Now, if you don't have it, simply download it from the Play Store, but I think it should be pre-installed on your phone already. Once you've located or downloaded the Good Lock app, you want to open it and from the list of options, select NavStar. Now, as you can see, I had to update mine, so if needs be, update your app, then locate it again from the Good Lock selection. Once you've done that, you want to select a new configuration from the list. And of course, you're going to select the configuration with the screenshot option. And once you've made the selection, you will notice that the screenshot button is now at the bottom of your home screen. So whenever you come across something on your phone that you want to quickly screenshot, simply tap the button and there you go. You could also visit HairWeGrow.store to get those beautiful products you see in the background for some well-deserved self-care.